you cheating?
No.
I think you are, because it's like you know the right dominoes to pay. So I either think that you can see through these things, or you're probably just psychic or something like that, because you know what? I don't care, because you need to be prepared to play all night long right here in sunny Sukasa, because I am not going to stop.
I've won every time we've played. You've had 6 shots of tequila. We've had some wine. It's time to stop.
Okay. Well, you know what? I'm not going to stop. You're either going to play another round,
Sam,
or you're going to concede the match.
what are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't
spit on me, nasty.
I'm on a losing streak. Okay? I'm sorry I spit on you. I'm on a losing streak, so why not just save us some time, and I'm going to have myself another shot of tequila, okay?
You're going to get sick.
Okay. If I'm going to get sick, then help me out. Do a girl a favor and concede the match.
But that's blackmail.
Hey, whatever works, right?
Put the drink down.
3 little words. 1, 2, 3. You know you want to say them? You win Sam. Say it.
Okay.
Say it. Say it.
All right, you win.
Oh, yes! Yes! I won!
Yeah, you won.
I told you I was going to win.
I will not